Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to buy Solana on Mexc exchange. So to get started with a quick guide on how to do that, so the first thing to do is to create an account. So go to mexc.com or download the Mexc app, then sign up with your email or phone number, and make sure you verify your identity, which is your KYC, to unlock a full features of the app. So you get started with how you can simply buy Solana. So the first thing to do is to add money to your Mexc wallet. Use the credit or debit card or bank transfer to buy the USDT tab. Then you can also transfer USDT from other exchange if you already have it. Then after that, go to spot trading, then search for Solana USDT, which is the trading pair, which is the Sol USDT trading pair. Then choose the market order for instant purchase, which is the easiest. So enter the amount and type buy. Then after that, check your wallet and your purchase Solana will appear in your Mexc wallet. And after that, you can also move your Solana to a saver wallet. So for long-term storage, send it to a secure wallet like Phantom or Ledger, and that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.